How to mint your dog sticker. Now you can mint your dog sticker with dogs token. Now this is the process on how to mint your dog sticker. At the top right hand side that say what, click on it. Your sticker collection, these are your stickers. Now we need to mint our sticker. This sticker could be used for NFT. Now create your own sticker and pack with unique dog. Now wow what, I will click on wow what. These are the available stickers. Now you say collect real sticker in the pack before other two. Now you need to hurry and collect some sticker here. What I will do right now, I will click on O. When I click on O, this one require $100 to mint and trade on NFT market. This sticker will also be traded on NFT market. Then I will click on yeah. When I click on yeah, it will say OMG I want it. Then I will click on OMG I want it. Now it say you have got some unique sticker already, but no rush, the platform is cooking. Okay, get it back. I have mint my sticker. My sticker is successfully minted. If you have not done yours, go and do yours now to get a sticker for NFT trading after listing of Doge. I repeat, if you have not minted your sticker, go and do yours now. As you can see, this one require 100 Doge. I will say okay, mint, you have got some, I've already got some sticker. This is it. I repeat, if you have not got yours, go and get it now. Go and get it now before it is too late.